வணக்கம். Welcome to our channel 10th Standard Science English Medium. One more question and answers. Lesson number 22, Environmental Management. Fill in the blanks. Deforestation leads to dash in rainfall. Answer: decrease. Deforestation leads to decrease in rainfall. Removal of soil particles from the land is called dash. Answer: soil erosion. Removal of soil particles from the land is called soil erosion. Chipko movement is initiated against dash. Answer: deforestation. Chipko movement is initiated against deforestation. Dash is a biosphere reserve in Tamil Nadu. Answer: Nilgiris. Nilgiris is a biosphere reserve in Tamil Nadu. Tidal energy is dash type of energy. Answer: renewable. Tidal energy is renewable type of energy. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called dash fuels. Answer: fossil. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Dash is the most commonly used fuel for the production of electricity. Answer: coal. Coal is the most commonly used fuel for the production of electricity. Say whether true or false. Correct the statements which are false. Biogas is a fossil fuel. Answer: false. Not biogas, it is petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Planting trees increases the groundwater level. Answer: true. Planting trees increases the groundwater level. True. Habitat destruction causes loss of wildlife. True. Habitat destruction causes loss of wildlife. True. Nuclear energy is a renewable energy. Answer: false. Not renewable, it is non-renewable. So the correct statement is nuclear energy is a non-renewable energy. Overgrazing prevents soil erosion. Answer: false. Overgrazing can lead to soil erosion. Poaching of wild animals is a legal act. Answer: false. Not legal, it is illegal act. So the correct statement is poaching of wild animals is an illegal act. National park is a protected park. Answer: true. National park is a protected park. Wildlife Protection Act was established in 1972. Answer: true. Wildlife Protection Act was established in 1972. True. Match the following. Here column A and column B are given. In column A, soil erosion, biogas, natural gas, greenhouse gas, CFL bulbs, wind, solid waste or given. In column B, answers are suffered. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Soil erosion, removal of vegetation. Soil erosion, removal of vegetation. Biogas, CO2. Biogas, CO2, carbon dioxide. Natural gas, non-renewable energy. Natural gas, non-renewable energy. Greenhouse gas, acid rain. Greenhouse gas, acid rain. CFL bulbs, energy saving. CFL bulbs, energy saving. Wind, renewable energy. Wind, renewable energy. Solid waste, lead and heavy metals. Solid waste, lead and heavy metals. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following are a fossil fuel? Tar, coal, petroleum. Here answer is coal and petroleum. So answer is option C, coal and petroleum, 2 and 3rd. What are the steps will you adopt for better waste management? Answer is option D, all the above. Answers are: reduce the amount of waste formed, reuse the waste, recycle the waste. So option D is correct. The gas released from vehicles exhaust are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen. Here answer is option D, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. The above 3 answers are correct. So option D is correct, 1, 2 and 3. Soil erosion can be prevented by, answer option B, afforestation. Soil erosion can be prevented by afforestation. A renewable source of energy is, answer option D, trees. A renewable source of energy is trees. Soil erosion is more where there is, answer option C, rainfall is high. Soil erosion is more where there is rainfall is high. And inhospitable resources is, answer wind power. And inhospitable resources is wind power. Common energy source in villages, answer wood and animal dung. Common energy source in villages, wood and animal dung. Greenhouse effect refers to, answer warming of earth. Greenhouse effect refers to warming of earth. A cheap, conventional, commercial and inhospitable source of energy is, answer option A, hydropower. A cheap, conventional, commercial and inhospitable source of energy is hydropower. Global warming will cause, answer All the three above. Rise in level of oceans, melting of glaciers, and sinking of islands. So here option is option D. All of these. Rise in level of oceans, melting of glaciers, and sinking of islands. Which of the following statement is wrong with respect to wind energy? Here option B is the wrong statement. The blades of windmill are operated with the help of electric motor. The blades of windmill are operated with the help of electric motor is the wrong statement. Assertion and reasoning. Make the choices as here 4 options are given. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Question number 1. Assertion. Rainwater harvesting is to collect and store rainwater. Reason. Rainwater can be directed to recharge the underground water source. Here assertion is true and reason is also true. Reason is correctly explaining the assertion. So here answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Question number 2. Assertion. Energy efficient bulbs like CFL must be used to save electric energy. Reason. CFL bulbs are costlier than ordinary bulbs. Hence, using ordinary bulbs can save our money. Here, assertion is true, but reason is false. So, answer is option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Thank you.